Welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. In our last video, we wanted to test it if when someone buy a product from our server, it will be provisioned, okay, and it works. Okay, so right now we are going to continue. Okay, so right now we are going to talk about the currency. But before I would do that, I'm going to add 2 extra package to our WHMCS, okay? But first, let me accept this order. So I will just click accept the order, and you see, so that we will not see this again. You have to do that anytime when someone buy products on your server and you come here, you will see this one, you will see that. So you have to click on that and accept the order, or you can also cancel the order. That depends on you. But imagine if someone has already paid for that and you cancel the order, then you are in trouble. The person will kill you. Okay, so now let's proceed. As I said earlier, you go to settings, general system settings, then you will just locate products, okay, here, and have to enter my password. Okay, and I'm here. Okay, so I will pause the video and create the other packages. Okay, or let me take you through another one, right? Okay, so that in our platform here we have another package. The next package is what that is professional. Okay, so I will just do the standard. So let's come back here. So here I will add a product, and I will select the share hosting, and that share hosting, the product name is standard. I will select this one, CWP7, and uncheck that and click continue. Good. So over here, tagline, just put something there. Okay, so the product description, I'm going to copy this one to website or subdomain. So I will copy that and come back here. Let me drag it down, paste it here. Then I will just paste this code, copy the code. Yes, I will paste that. Paste here, and here again, here, and that. Okay, I think there's a H here, and paste it here. So I'm done. Now let's go down to pricing. So I'm going to talk about the price here, but before I will do that, let me open here in the new tab. Okay, I will not close here. I just want to show you something. We have to set the currency. We are in Ghana here. This system automatically, the only currency on this platform is in cedis. In dollars. So you can decide to add your a currency, your own currency. Okay, if you are in Ghana, you can decide to add cedis. If you are in Nigeria, you can decide to add what? Dollars. Okay, or you can decide to add about 3 or 4 currencies. Okay, you can decide to add pounds. Okay, that depends on you. So you can do everything here. So let me show you how to do that. So first, I will locate the currency here. Okay, you see we have a currency here. If for some reason you can't see it here, I don't want to close here, so I will right click and open this one in the new tab, and under settings here, go to settings. You can just search for currency. You click on that. Okay, so you are here. As you can see that the only currency added here is in dollars. Okay, so we are going to add cedis. Okay, so here you will add currency code. Ghana currency code is, okay, so let's go to symbols, Ghana cedis symbols. Okay, good. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I will copy that. Let me come back down here, because the nature of this, I will copy that. Okay, so I'll come here the currency code, I will enter that. Okay, then prefix, the prefix, let's locate, let's come back here again. The prefix, I will use this one. Okay, good. I will use this and I will come back here. Oh, sorry, this one, and add a prefix here. Okay, this one is not that important, but let me copy this and put it here. Okay, so I've added that. Now we have to enter the conversion rate. Okay, we have to convert the amount to dollars. Okay, so here we will go to internet, dollars to cedis. So let's search for dollars to cedis and look at, now it's 14.75. We can make it 15 or we can maintain that. Okay, so I will maintain that and paste that figure here. Okay, so which means that $1 will be equal to this amount. I hope you understand that. So I will click add a currency. Oh, why? Please provide a valid currency code. Currency code. Okay, let's see. H. Okay, is this one? GHS. Okay, so let me click that again. Okay, it has been added. I hope you can see that. Good. So I can decide to update here and update the price again. Now let's come back to our dashboard here, because we were creating a product here. Okay, so the pricing, I will come here, select annual, and after that we have to refresh the page. So what I will do is I will first save it, because I've done some settings that, okay, so it has been done. Now after saving it, you see we can now see the Ghana cedis here, so we have to check that too. Okay, so this is what we are going to do, because we are converting it from dollars to cedis. We will not put any digit at cedis. We will only put it at dollars. Okay, so what is the price? So this is the price. This is a setup fee. If you want to charge setup fee, that is fine. I don't want to do that. So maybe this package is $4. Let me put the $4 there. Okay, after that we will go to, see, I did not put a digit here. Okay, that's cool, so leave it. Let's go to module settings and let's look at the price. Sorry, the code, the ID of the package is what? 15. So let's come back here and make it 15. Okay, so product ID for this standard package is 15. I hope you can see that. It's very, very important. It's 15. ID is 15. So I have added that. Now we will go for this one, as I said earlier, because now we are going to sell it. So we have to select this one. It's very, very important. And the rest is okay. We will talk about the rest later. Now let's go ahead and click save. Good. Now let's go back and let me edit the basic. That one too, we are going to set up the price. So here you go to price and you see we have that. So the basic will be, let's say the price will be $2. Yes, you have to decide the amount you are going to charge for your packages. Okay, so I'm done with that. Let's come back to the currency here, because here is 00. We have to update it from here. So we will, now let me take you to the front end. This is the front end, right? Let me click here. Now we want to check the product price. You see, this is where I bought a package. So I still have the login. Yeah, I'm still on my dashboard. I can go to package, other new services, and let's see. You see in dollars, we can see that it's 2, and here we have 4. But if we decide to convert the currency, I don't know, where can we do that? I don't know why I cannot see it here. Okay, so I think we need to change. Okay, this account is already in dollars, so that's why I cannot, or I can log in. If I log in right now, I'll be able to see the package. I can change. That is the currency. Okay, now let's go to share hosting again, and now after logging out, because that account, when I was creating the account, the cities was not added. So it was created in dollars. Okay. The account is a dollar account. I hope you understand that. Good. So because of that, you can't change the currency if I have already logged in. There's no way you can do that. But now I've logged out. I can now change the currency to Ghana cedis and it will give us 00. You know why? We need to update it. So I have to click here, update the product price here. And let's come back here and refresh the page. Yes, do that. And now we see we have 29.50 annually and 50. Yeah, so that's the price. And that is cool. Okay. So far, so good. Thank you for watching. Our next video, we will look at how to add the template so that you have such a beautiful website. This is the reason why I added or I installed the WHMC on the main domain. Okay, because the theme that we are going to install is very, very beautiful. Okay, so we don't need any WordPress website. We can just use the WHMCS. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.